On this episode, we explore a truck I found on the side of the road. Let's check this out. Let's look at this thing. GMC 470. I got permission from the owners to come and look at it. So I wanted to show you guys around on this thing. The owner said that this thing has a 350 in it. So let's see if it does. Things right here. So I can't get the hood open. It did say there's a... Oh, this is probably why it's all bent up right here. So he said I could look in here. So it's from Lobu Farms. This is one of their yards that they have. And he says that they use this like all the time. He told me I could come in here and see a gallon of motor oil on the side. That's not a good sign. But it's very well kept. Let's see. It's pretty cool in here. It's got a 4-speed. Oh, with this thing, a little clicky button. It's got a PTO. So this is a dump bed. Look at this custom radio. This is so cool. This is so cool. But yeah, he said it runs. But one of the issues that they're having with it is that since it's a 350 and it's, you know, a dump truck, it wastes a lot of fuel. So they might do something else with it. But I don't know. Let's check out the dump bed on this thing. Here's the old dump bed. Seems a monster, man. Yeah, it looks, you can tell they do use this thing. Yeah, it's even registered up until this year. That's cool. Look how cool that is. So I don't know what size gallon tank this is, but he said that when they run it, they have to fill the tank like twice a day for it to run good, because otherwise it'll just like drink up all the gas. Man, look at this thing. This is like the coolest thing. And the Lobu Farms thing, it's like a local thing around here. And to have one like that would be cool. But he said they're not selling it though. That's fine. He did show me another one though. Let me go show you the other one. This one he said that they've been trying to sell for a while, but we live in California, so the one bad thing about it is that you can't really register certain diesel vehicles in this state, depending on like what year they are, just because of, you know, the size of them and the emissions and all that stuff. So he said that this one, they were trying to sell it. So here's a Ford 7000, which is it's a big boy. And oh, look, it's got a cat engine in it. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Split rims. Damn. If you ever heard about these ones, whenever you try to change the tire on these things, if you don't do it right, they'll either leak all over, or as you're trying to take it off, this thing will just shoot out and kill a guy. So those are not the best. But it's been off the road since '86. But he did give me permission to come and take a look inside of these things. But you see, this is Lobu Farms here in Strathmore, which is where I'm from. Let me see if the door's open. Oh, it is. Well, let's jump inside. So, a bunch of cobwebs and everything. Oh man, look at the view from up here. This is so cool. Need some squeak. Oh look, you can see the hours that it's on. There's not that many hours on this engine. But like I said, one of the things that they were having problems with is trying to get this thing registered for somebody else to buy it, because nobody wants to deal with all that stuff. Yeah, it's sad. So I was just sitting here. One good thing though is that I've wanted one of these like really big diesel engine trucks like this, like an older one, but not for the reason that they used it. You see behind me, there's a big flatbed back there, but I wanted one of these to take the cab off of it and put the cab of an older truck and put it on top of one of these things. And I mean, this one you can't register it, so we'd end up having to scrap it, right? So I could save the chassis, the engine, and just throw another body on top of it, and there we go. Got an old ass truck on a newer, because this is obviously not like a brand new one, but a newer frame. And look, this is that same clicker, like the signal. It's the same one out of the dump truck that's over there. That's so cool. I have all these, like a bunch of different reusable parts, but like this thing it's metal. It's like sheet metal, but it's still metal. Cup holder, temperature gauge. You got a radio up here. The seat's actually in really good shape and it's pretty comfortable. But man, this thing's... Damn, I wish I had money. Just buy it right now. Let's get down. Just look at this thing. Just how big it is. How awesome. I would love to have this thing and just, like I said, just throw a different body on top of it and just run that thing down the street. Because I'd hate to see these things die here. This one, he said they were trying to get rid of it for a while, but they couldn't. So I'm going to ask him right now and see what their plans were. Because that dump truck over there, he said he's not getting rid of that. So, I mean, I'm going to leave my number with him and see. For the meantime, that's it for right now on our mini adventure where we find some local commercial old trucks and dream about buying them. Look at this cat engine though. That's so cool. All right, enough dreaming. We'll see you guys next time.